Welcome back to class. It's your time. In this episode, we're diving deep into evening routine question. The kind of stuff you actually say when your day is winding down. Here's how it works. I'll ask you a real life question. You pause the video, think, or say your answers out loud. Yeah, actually speak it. Then I'll hit you with a natural or graded answer. Plus, we'll break it down like we're in class. We'll unpack the phrases, the hidden meanings, and yeah, I'll throw in a street style slang twist at the end of each one to keep it fire and fun. Some explanation are quick, some go deeper, so you actually understand English like a native. And hey, if you haven't seen our morning routine video, check that out too after this. It connects like CJ to Grove Street. Now grab your headphones, lean back, let's roll. What do you usually do after getting home in the evening? I normally chill for a bit, grab a snack, and then take a quick shower. Now, let's break it down like we're in class. Chill for a bit. This means to relax or unwind for a short time. It's something people often do to de-stress after work or school. Grab a snack. This is an informal way to say have a small amount of food. Grab makes it sound quick and casual. Take a shower. Just a short and fast shower. Usually to freshen up after being out. Now, a straight version answer. I slide in, crash on the couch, munch something, then hop in the shower real quick. When you're talking like a local in Los Santos, it's all about sounding smooth. Second question. How often do you usually gather for dinner? Most evenings, we all get together at the dinner table. It's one of the few times we're all in the same place, you know? Now, let's peel it back layer by layer. Most evenings, almost every night, not necessarily all. Get together, meet up, or gather in the same spot. Dinner table, symbolic spot for family connection. One of the few times, rare moment, when everyone's available. You know, conversational tag keeps it casual and connected. You're not just saying it, you eat. You're showing connection, routine, and warmth. These are loaded expressions, great for fluency and sounding authentic. We squat up most nights, grab some food, and kick it at the table for a bit. This version is cool, casual, and packed with native level street English. Don't stop here. If you missed the afternoon routine questions or the morning session, go run those videos next. Each one's packed with gold. And hey, let me know in the comments, do you usually eat with fam or are you more of a solo diner? Hit the like, drop your comment, and subscribe if you're vibing with the GTA English classroom. Do you usually help with dinner preparation? Yeah, I usually set the table and help chop some veggies before dinner. Now, let's unpack this like we're in the English lab. Set the table. To prepare the table for dinner by placing plates, cutlery, etc. Super common in family routines. Chop veggies. To cut vegetables into small pieces. Veggies is a friendly short form of vegetables that natives always use. This kind of answer works great in both casual and polite situations. Yeah, I lay out the stuff and a slice of some greens before we grow. Many learners confuse it with just sitting at the table, but no, it means preparing the table before eating. And grab, it's pure everyday slang. You'll hear it everywhere, from cartoons to GTA scenes. That's a wrap for today's mission, homies. We just rolled through some real-life evening routine questions, a serious slang and pro tips that will level up your English, whether you're chatting at home or talking with folks out in the city. But don't just watch and bounce. If you're feeling the vibe, smash the like button, drop a comment with your favorite phrase, and subscribe, or CJ's pulling up to your grammar mistakes next time. Miss the early laps? We already covered morning and afternoon routine combos, GTA slang and all. Hit those links below and keep the learning streak alive. And remember, whether it's the streets of Los Santos or the halls of your school, speak it smart, speak it smooth, Speak it like a boss. Catch you all in the next draw. Stay sharp, stay real, and keep talking the GTA English. Peace out.